How to remove Cameo Selfie on Snapchat. If any day any of you are a Snapchat user and you would like to remove your Cameo Selfie on the Snapchat but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the Snapchat application on your mobile device. You can find the Snapchat application by manually scrolling left or right or searching it on your mobile device. After you find the Snapchat application, you have to tap on it, and after you tap on the Snapchat application like this, now you have to go to the profile section on the top. After you go to the profile section on the top, now you have to go to the option of settings. After you tap on the option of the settings, now you have to just scroll down. Now, after you scroll down, if you have set a Cameo Selfie, in the option of the account sections, you will see the option of clear the Cameo Selfie. And if you find the option of the clear the Cameo Selfie here, now you have to tap on the option of clear the Cameo Selfie and clear it. Since here I do not have my very Cameo Selfie, so I did not find the option of the Cameo Selfie clearing. But if any day you have set your Cameo Selfie and you would like to just clear it, you can find the option in the account sections or the account actions here. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.